Good morning, students. This is class 8 science. We are doing chapter number 17, pollution of air and water. Page number 280. So children, in this chapter, we are going to learn about air pollution. And under air pollution, we are going to see the sources of air pollution, means what causes air pollution. Then we will see the effects, that because of that air pollution, what are the effects on plants, animals, human beings, on the environment, right, beta? And finally, we are going to talk about the preventions, means how we can prevent these air pollution. Similarly, the second type of pollution which we are going to study is water pollution. In this also we are going to talk about the source of water pollution, the effects and preventions. And lastly, potable water. Potable water is the water which is fit for drinking. That how the water is purified. What are the methods of purification of water, right? So let's begin with the chapter with the first definition of the chapter, that is pollution. So children, what is pollution? Pollution is when harmful substance they enter the environment. Then what are they doing? They are creating pollution, as in the mischievous elements, right? Mischievous people, when they enter the society, they are polluting the society, right? So similarly, please underline the definition. The introduction of harmful substances into the environment is called pollution. So when harmful substance they enter in environment, what do they cause? They cause pollution. Right, children? Okay, I hope you have underlined this. So we are going to talk about air and water. So children, we know air and water, they are the natural resources. And without air and water, plants, animals, nobody can survive on the earth. Life is possible on earth because of the presence of air and water, right? And what are we doing? We, the human beings, we are adding harmful chemicals in air and water. So what are we doing? We are creating problem for ourselves only, right? हम खुद के पैर पे खुद ही कुल्हाड़ी मार रहे हैं. That we are polluting air which we are going to breathe. We are polluting water which we are going to consume, right? So we as the future generation of the country, of the planet, we should be aware of these things and we should try to reduce this. We should try to find, discover, invent new methods to reduce air pollution, to reduce water pollution, right? So in future, if you wish, if you have a dream of becoming a scientist, please make a note of this also, that how can you save the planet from air pollution and water pollution? Can you develop any new methods, any new process by which the air can be more pure, by which the water we drink can be more pure and chemical free, right? So let's start with pollution of air. Pollution of air, right? So you can see the picture of air pollution. See children, during the lockdown, during this COVID, when it was just started in the month of March, April, it was seen that after the lockdown, that Delhi and many other metropolitan cities of our country, they saw the change in the quality of the air, right? Because what happened during the lockdown, the factories, the industries, all were shut down. So there was no smoke, there were no chemicals, there were no pollutants from the factories and industries into the atmosphere. And so it was seen that the atmosphere of these cities, Delhi, Mumbai, they were very clean. the visibility increased. Otherwise थोड़े distance पे भी देखना was not possible in Delhi, Mumbai. But during this lockdown, it was observed, the people of the city, everywhere they observed that the visibility had increased because of the shutdown of the factories and industries. As the industries were, they were not working, the smoke, the chemicals, they were not there in the environment. So this is the main reason of air pollution. Right, this is the main reason of air pollution. Okay, beta. So here what they are telling you, that you can compare the air of park or forest with the busy road. Means if you compare the forest air with the traffic area, with the residential area and industrial area, means residential areas where we have the residential societies where we live. Industrial areas are where the industries are there. You can compare the air of village and metropolitan cities. What will you find? You will find that the air in the park, in the forest, in the residential areas, in the village, they are clean, they are fresh as compared to the air which is present in the metropolitan cities. Yes? Okay, children. So, what is causing the pollution? So, they are the particulate matter. What are particulate matter? They are the very small particles of smoke. They are very small particles of the chemicals which are released from the industries and factories. Right? So, please underline the definition given over here for the particulate matter. Particulate matter. It is the material that is suspended in the air, means it is thrown in the air in the form of minute solid particles or liquid droplets, either in the form of solid particles or in the form of liquid vapors with liquid droplets. Right, beta? So this is your particulate matter. Okay. Now children, the next question comes is, from where does the smoke come in the atmosphere? So children, the major cause of air pollution is the combustion of fossil fuels. We have done in the last chapter what are fossil fuels, right? So children, when fossil fuels are burned, at the time carbon dioxide gas is released in the atmosphere, right? This gas, carbon dioxide, it is the major pollutant of air pollution, right? So, when fossil fuel, which contains nitrogen and sulfur, but it also contains carbon and hydrogen, right, beta? So, when this carbon and hydrogen, they burn, they produce oxides of carbon. Oxides of carbon is carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. Then oxides of nitrogen means nitrogen oxide it forms. Then oxide of sulfur means, children, it forms sulfur dioxide. So children, this carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, they are the major cause of air pollution. यही है pollutants जो air को बहुत ज़्यादा pollute करते हैं, right बेटा? So this is they are the cause of pollution of air. Incomplete combustion means जब पूरा burning नहीं हुआ है, when it is incomplete, it produces soot. What is soot? Soot is it is the ash type of thing. ठीक है? Ash मतलब जो आपने देखा होगा when you burn some wood, the black color it flies off in the air, right? It is very light. The black color, it is not exactly ash, but it is a little light material which flies with the air. So that is soot, black color, right? So let us see the common air pollutants and their sources. So children, the first air pollutant is, as we know, carbon monoxide. Underline it, very, very important. Carbon monoxide. Now we know carbon monoxide is produced because of incomplete burning, incomplete combustion of fossil fuels. Right, beta? Incomplete combustion of fossil fuels. Next is nitrogen oxide. So nitrogen oxide, how it is produced? It is produced due to the combustion of petrol, diesel, coal, kerosene. When we burn petrol, diesel in our vehicles, coal and kerosene in the domestic use, right? At that time, nitrogen oxide is produced, which is polluting the air, right? Next is sulfur dioxide. Now children, a lot amount of sulfur dioxide is produced during volcanic eruption. Means when volcano erupts, at the time sulfur dioxide gas is produced, which pollutes the air, right? और कहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस होते हैं? When you extract sulfur from its ore. जब आप ore is what? Ore is the it is a metal which is present in mixture in the earth crust. You remove ore and from that you are going to separate different metals, right? So you will be separating sulfur. So when you extract sulfur from its ore, sulfur dioxide gas is produced. And sulfur dioxide gas is also produced when you burn fossil fuel and sulfur. Fossil fuel which contains sulfur. Right, beta? Next is soot and smoke. Smoke वो black color का धुआं होता है, बस उसमें particles भी होता है. And smoke पे you know it is धुआं, right? Now, when it is produced, combustion of fuels, that is in vehicles, ज़्यादातर vehicles में आप smoke देखते हो, right? Next is the dust particles and particulate matter. Particulate matter are very tiny microscopic dust particles, right? They are produced in industries. They are produced because of the stormy wind. एकदम जब आंधी तूफान चलता है, you will feel that the amount of dust in the air is more. So children, this table gives you the name of the pollutants, that these are your pollutants and the sources. Okay, beta. So here comes the definition of air pollution and pollutants. Air pollution and pollutants. So air pollution is what? Contamination. Contamination matlab मिलावट करना, right? So what मिलावट you are doing? You are doing मिलावट with air. किसकी मिलावट कर रहे हो? You are adding smoke, you are adding dust, you are adding harmful gases like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide. So by adding this all to air, आप क्या कर रहे हो? You are doing मिलावट, and this मिलावट is very bad. This is your air pollution. Right? So please underline the definition of air pollution, that is contamination of air with smoke, dust and harmful gases is called air pollution. And the substance that are causing air pollution, मतलब ये जो smoke है, dust है, harmful gases है, they are your pollutants. They are your pollutants. Right? Next is ये सब pollutants हैं, fine, but ये सब आते कहाँ से हैं? From where do these pollutants they come? So here are some of the sources of air pollution. In your book, they have shown you 6 sources of air pollution. 6 sources of air pollution. Children, this we will continue tomorrow, right?